Hey, everybody. It's kind of a great day here at ShopSmith. We've been talking about getting ourselves back into the Canadian market, and we said we wouldn't do it unless we got the right partner. Now we have a home base in Canada with our new friends from Stockroom Supply, and I want to introduce you all to our new friend Ethan Moore. Tell us a little bit about Stockroom, Ethan, so that then we can kind of talk about how we're going to make this all work.
Of course. Yeah, so we're a small family business up here in Canada. My parents started the business in the late 90s, and we basically started just selling pure sandpaper, but it kind of progressed over time. We started making some of our own tools, took on some different brands. So what we really try to specialize in now is hard to find things in Canada. So we try to take on different items that maybe you can't get anywhere else, and we just try to support the hard to find stuff here.
Yeah.
And we ship nationwide, of course, on all that stuff.
Yeah. Well, what we really liked about Stockroom is Ethan's a little understating in what he just said, is they're also innovators. They understand how to make things, they understand how to fix things, they understand how to treat customers with the best respect. So, we just think it's a great fit. So they'll be gathering orders, taking orders from Canadian customers, and then we'll be shipping up, and we're very close from Ohio to Canada is a very short trip.
Yeah.
So the lead times will be pretty quick. They'll get them, they'll break them down, and then they'll ship them out through the Canadian market for supporting our customers. What that also means is that in the meantime, until Stockroom is completely up to repair and all the other services, is our US office is still available for consultation. So if you've got an issue with your machine, they can't help you, we've got their back. It's a partnership and it's going to grow, because we're excited about it.
Yeah, and we are too. I know even before we had any interest in becoming a ShopSmith dealer, we were getting calls on ShopSmith parts and lots of bandsaw stuff. So we're already somewhat familiar with the ShopSmith stuff, but it'll be nice to get really familiar with it.
Yeah, and at some point in the near future, they're going to come down to us, and we're going to do some training in-house. And I would say this time next year, people are just going to go, yeah, ShopSmith Canada is Stockroom, and we're going to be doing some things with Stockroom to bring some of their great innovations into the US market. So it's really a great partnership, and we're really excited.
Thank you, Andrew. I look forward to the future.
All right, we'll keep everybody posted as it advances. Thanks so much. And if you're in Canada and you need ShopSmith, give Ethan and the folks at Stockroom a call. All the details will be published in the notes so that you'll be able to reach out to them. What is your website address?
Yeah, it's stockroomsupply.com. And for anybody curious, we're located in the Niagara region in Southern Ontario.
Yeah, so, check out the falls and buy some ShopSmith stuff.
Exactly.
All right. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye now.